Hey, this is Tech with Tana, and today we're going to talk about ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So, you can think of it as computer brain that's learned a lot of information and is having a conversation with you about it. Simplistically speaking, you just ask it a question, it searches for the right answer, and then returns that answer to you. So now that we know what ChatGPT is in plain words, let's dig a little into the technical component of how it works. So ChatGPT is an AI language model that uses a neural network architecture called Transformer to process natural language. Now I know this sounds like a lot of words, but we're going to try to break them down to simplify this meaning. Let's start with the easiest, natural language. So natural language is the way humans communicate with each other using words or phrases to convey meaning. So this is the way that we all talk to each other. Now let's go to AI. So AI, artificial intelligence, it's the technology that allows computers or machines to learn and make decisions as if they are humans. And in case of ChatGPT, they use an AI language model. The AI language model is composed of two different AI techniques, which is NLP, which stands for Natural Language Processing, and machine learning. And the language model, it's a computer program that is able to understand human language, generate responses or predictions based on that understanding. If you're not familiar with NLP machine learning or would like to know more about these techniques within AI, I have a video that explains these. Feel free to go watch that and then come back to continue the video with us. So this language model uses a neural network architecture called transformers. So this algorithm, neural network architecture, is the algorithm that this machine learning model uses to find the answers for the user. So this looks exactly like the neural network. It collects data from multiple sources and tries to predict which is the right answer. And this algorithm is called the transformer. Now, this machine learning model is trained on a lot of data dated until 2021. And it comes from articles, websites, books, and other online data. So now I think we have a better understanding of what ChatGPT is, and it's simply a model that uses a transformer architecture to be able to process natural language and respond in natural language as well. It's designed to continually improve based on the user feedback on our responses and on new data that they add to the model. I hope the video was able to give you a brief understanding of ChatGPT. Please feel free to add any comments if you have any questions. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned. Thank you for watching.